Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. If you don't like beans or you don't like cooking beans, probably because it takes too long to cook or it gives you a bloated stomach, this recipe is for you. This recipe is for you. So join me in my kitchen and let us cook these beans. This recipe is so simple and it's very fast. Your beans is going to cook fast and it's not going to give you a bloated stomach. Let's try this. These are the ingredients that we need to cook our sweet beans porridge and fried plantain. And I'm going to use the honey beans. I'm going to use the honey beans. It's a sweet beans. And here I have onion. I have a large onion because beans loves onion. Onion enhances the taste of beans. It makes beans to taste even more better than normal. So this is salt, and this is pepper flake, ground pepper flakes, spicy pepper. But if you don't like pepper, you can skip this. This is not compulsory. And this is my ripe plantain. And yes, here I have lime and lemon. You can use either of the two. And you'll be wondering why I need this for beans. This is going to help break down the chemical components in the skin of the beans. That is what is going to help the beans to cook faster. When you squeeze the lemon juice or the lime juice in your beans and soak it for like 15 minutes before you put it on fire, it's going to help to break down those components. That will make your beans to cook faster, and that will also help to remove the chemical component that usually give bloated stomach when you eat beans. So this is very important. This is one of the methods that our grandparents used in those days and that we are forgetting. So we need to bring it back. So let's try this. So when you get your beans, here I have the sweet beans that I'm going to use. All you need to do is you put your beans in your basin and you add some water to it. Then you squeeze half of the lime juice or lemon, half of it, into the beans, and then you let it soak. You leave it there and let it soak for like 15 minutes. The chemical components of the lime juice or the lemon juice will break down the beans and helps the beans to cook faster, and then remove the chemical substance that makes you that gives a bloated stomach to some people when they eat beans. So this is my beans. The beans has been washed and drained after 15 minutes of soaking it with lemon and water. So I'm going to pour it in the pressure cooker pot now. Then I have the chopped onions. So I'm going to pour the onion. And I'm going to add some salt. And I will add water to it. I'm using pressure cooker. I'm not going to put too much water in because it's going to cook fast. So now I'm going to transfer it in the pressure cooker plug and let it cook. Yes, my beans is cooked, and this takes up to like 20 minutes to cook. Normally the sweet beans cooks faster than every other regular beans. But with my pressure cooker, these sweet beans usually take like 40-50 minutes to cook on my pressure cooker. But now with the lemon or lime juice, it took like 20 minutes. I set it for 20 minutes and it is done. So now I'm going to add the palm oil. And I'm going to add my pepper flakes, can as well use fresh pepper blended with onion or just pepper blended, just like that. And if you don't like pepper, you can skip this. It's not compulsory that you must use pepper. If you don't like pepper, if you don't like spicy food, you might skip this, or you can just add it to your taste. So after this, I'm going to transfer it back on the pressure cooker to saute, to dry the juice. Now I'm peeled my ripe plantain and I'm going to slice it. I'm slicing it to fry it on the oil. So the oil I'm going to use to fry my plantain is coconut oil. The oil is hot, so I'm going to put the sliced plantain. The beans is ready. It's well cooked. It's very soft. When beans is well cooked and soft, it tastes better and it tastes so yummy. This one looks so soft, so juicy. You can enjoy it with cooked yam, bread. You can sprinkle some dry gari on it. You can also enjoy it with soaked gari. You can enjoy it with fried or boiled plantain. You can as well add some dry fried stew, either fish or meat fried stew if you like. That is not compulsory, but that makes it taste good, and it's very, very rich in fiber. So healthy. Plantain is ready. Don't forget to share your experience with me in the comment section, and make sure you watch more videos on my channel where I share my simple recipe, simple and delicious healthy recipe.